2 months. That's how long it takes to get loan documents ready. People train for marathons in that time. I was a corporate treasurer, and I saw this firsthand every single time we issue that. It's time-intensive dealing with lawyers and bankers on what it could have been done just in 2 or 3 weeks. And it turns out I was not the only one getting frustrated. According to Clearstream, the 2 most important priorities in the debt market are shorter settlement cycle and simpler documentation. And yet, trillions of dollars of debt are issued in Europe alone every year without any improvements in the process. And the result is that 3 sets of people get incredibly unhappy. Issuers, because they have to exchange emails and edit documents with multiple parties, and reconciling those changes is incredibly time-consuming. Lawyers, because banks put them under pressure to set cap fees, but they often end up working extra hours because they spend a lot of time on repetitive tasks. And bankers, because on a daily basis, they have to manually extract the information from the contracts and enter it into their systems. But Capexmove is solving this problem. We provide a platform to draft and digitize debt financing documents, where multiple parties can collaborate on one single venue. Each contract is converted into software that performs operations automatically. And as a result, the whole process becomes more efficient. This is a loan agreement drafted by our platform. As you can see, it's written in the English language. But behind the scenes, it's converted into programming language. Each clause has been coded to give life to the contract itself and let it run automatically. The finalized contracts are machine readable, which means they can communicate with bank systems directly. Our early tests show that we can bring the time of drafting documents from 8 to 3 weeks, and banks' costs down by up to 50%. We're in the FCA sandbox, and right now, we are collaborating with multiple law firms that together cover more than 20% EMEA loan market share. Capexmove makes money from banks and law firms on each set of documents drafted. We're a team of 3. We met at a hackathon in 2017. I was a corporate treasurer, and I dealt with loan documents every single day. Ash, our CTO, worked for companies such as Thomson Reuters and WorldPay. And Junaid, our CFO, worked for EY, advising banks on risk management. Now, if you know any companies that want to borrow faster, or law firms that want to work more efficiently, come talk to us, and they will have more time to train for their marathons. Thank you.